how to replace the door sill plate on your Gen 6 Camaro. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. I'm going to quickly show you how to remove and replace this trim piece right at the door sill of the Camaro. It's pretty easy. If we look at our new piece right here, it just clips in. There's no bolts. You don't really need any tools as long as you can pry it up and get it off. So I'm just going to pull up on it just like that. Pull it up and pull it back and out, and it comes right out. I'm going to take my new one, just get it into position, make sure the clips are lined up. And snap it down. And this job is done. If you found that video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.